Hey there. I get asked how I use the offers to buyers feature, so I wanted to make a video and share that with you because this is a tool that is working really well in my business for sure. A lot of my sales come from it, and I'm going to explain to you why that is and show you how it's done. So let's go. eBay has recently added the listings eligible to send offers in your task area in Seller Hub. This makes it really easy to just add this to your daily or twice daily or however often you want to do this list of things to do to run your eBay business. So I'm going to go in and make offers to these watchers and let you see how I do it. So if you click on that link from your Seller Hub, it will bring you to your Manage Active Listings page, but most importantly to the tab that is ready for you to send offers to watchers. And so I have 14 items in here that have come in overnight as being eligible. So I don't do this, but I want to show you that this is possible. So if you get a whole bunch and you just want to select them all and send an offer of a percentage off, this is where you can do that. Now, all of the items are selected in here, or you can select whichever ones you want as well. You don't have to select them all. But you can put a percentage off. So what if you wanted to do 25% off? You could do that. You can send a message. You can customize this in here, however you want to do that. And it's going to show you over here how much that came to. This is not the way I do that, and so I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to show you what I do, because the offer that I send to the customer is based on a few things. One, how long I've had the item listed. Two, how much of a profit margin I have built into the item. And three, what is the rarity of the item? Am I the only one out there that has this, or are there several available and I just need to match the market and get the sale? Okay, so those are going through my head when I am debating on whether to send a bigger offer or not. Now, I want to try and get the sale. This is like having a fish circling the bait on your hook, and what you're trying to do is to get them to bite so you can reel them in, right? I don't like to think of customers as fish, but just to simplify the way this works, it works. Okay, so this one has been listed only since April 30th, so I'm not going to give like some big huge discount on this, but I will go to $5 off on this one. I don't change this. It's time that I don't need to spend, so I try to get through things as quickly as I can. This tapestry, April 24th. I've got a really nice cushion in this one. I'll shave 10 bucks off. See, this one also, April 24th. I don't have a lot of room to go. This is not a high-priced item to begin with. So we're just going to take a few bucks off and see if that helps. This is a item that's been listed for over a month. So once it's been listed for over a month, I start, thinking a little heavier about, okay, let's give them this is a great price. Let's get it sold, because I'm still happy with 25 on this item. Remember, I know what I've paid for this stuff, so it's all good. This one we're going to shave 5 bucks off, just because we're just getting into the season where this lightweight type of top would be popular. So we'll shave 5 bucks off it there. These have been listed since March 23rd. And we're going to give them this is too good of an offer to pass up by shaving 10 bucks off. And again, this is going to be based on what your margins are. What can you afford to discount and still make a healthy profit? Again, this is a large piece with a hassle factor. So I'm not as motivated to lower this one down to like $19.99, but I want to nudge, try to get the sale. So there's where I am on that one. Now this is a more rare piece. This piece, I don't need to give a big, huge, heavy discount, but I want to make the sale. So I'm going to take 10 bucks off. I don't think I'd go lower than $40 on this one. All right. This fish, I've got a really good margin, and this has been listed since December 27th. So I will bring this one down to the $20 range. Again, this one's been listed since December, so let's see if shaving $10 off of it will get the job done. This Disneyland Meg, I really would like to just clear the lower priced items out, so I'm going to bring it down to 10 bucks. The wood elephant coat rack, it's been listed a while. Let's see if we can give them, this is too good to be true, and get it sold for 15. Now I have this one priced at $79.99. It has been listed since November. I also know that I group my items by whatever shopping trip. So I know in this particular bunch of stuff that I bought, I am still needing to get enough sold to get into the profit margin point. And I know that if I got 50 bucks for this, I'd be in really good shape. So I'm going to try to really make this sale happen by lowering that price to $49.99. And then this item is not a high priced item, but it's been there for a while. So let's bring it down to 10 bucks. And see if we can make the sale. And that is kind of how I go through each one. Now, if you sell items that have very set market values, then you will have to decide on how you work your percentages and how you work what you're going to send to that customer. This works really well for me with the antiques and collectibles and the one-off kind of things where it's an impulse item. And what we're trying to do is turn that impulse into a, okay, well, that's such a good deal, I have to take it. And I know we've all been there because this has been used in retail since retail began. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button and the little bell, which will notify you when I put up a new video. And I will be sharing more tips, tricks, and ways to make your business both fun and profitable. So with that, go be profitable and make it fun. See you on the next one.